Drum Course by J.E.
Blessed day guys! Welcome to Online Drum Course by Coach J.E. Today's lesson, pag-uusapan natin ng EDM groove. Yan, yung mga EDM, yung mga usong groove ngayon. So ito, meron tayong tatlong sample ng EDM groove ngayon na pag-aaralan natin. So try natin, pag-aaralan na natin yung number 1 na pattern. Yung number 1, madali lang. 4 bars, bali 8 bars to lahat. May repeat sign with repeat sign. So kick lang, quarter note na pag-aaralan natin ng una. 1, 2, kick lang siya. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Tapos repeat sign lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yun. So para kang nag-exercise lang, no? Quarter note. Chug, 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 chug. Yan. So, yung pangalawang pattern natin is, nagdagan na natin ng, nag-add na tayo ng hi-hat, which is 8 note. 8 note hi-hat. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Tapos yung kick natin, same pattern pa rin. Quarter note, pulse lang. So, pag kinumbay natin is, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 3, 4. Tapos repeat sign. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ganun lang siya. Ganun lang siya kadali. Okay? So, number 3 na pattern natin, naglagay na tayo ng snare sa 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So, mangyayari dito is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and repeat sign lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, bali 8 version lahat. Ulitin nyo na lang. Okay? EDM groove.